I wish to extend my heartiest congratulations to the Chief Executive Member and the Executive Member on the successful completion of their oath of office and secrecy. We wish them a productive and impactful tenure ahead. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the Law Secretary Madam for her presence today and for so graciously administering the oath of office and secrecy. Our profound thanks to the members of the district councils, MLAs, all the distinguished dignitaries and members of the public. We truly appreciate your presence and the patience you observed while witnessing these historic proceedings. Furthermore, I would like to acknowledge the invaluable contributions of our officers and the dedicated personnel from the TTADC Electricity and Health Department. A special word of thanks to the police and security forces for ensuring the smooth and secure conduct of this event. Your collective efforts have been instrumental in making this ceremony a resounding success. In closing, I cordially invite everyone present here to join us for lunch immediately following the conclusion of this program. Thank you, Khulumka.